Are you tired of feeling like no matter how hard you work, money always seems to slip through your fingers? What if I told you that attracting money every single day isn't just for the wealthy or experienced? It's something you can do, starting today. Yes, even if you're completely new to the law of attraction. You see, the power to create financial abundance is already inside you. It's not about luck or working yourself to the bone. It's about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions to unlock the flow of wealth that's been waiting for you all along. Most people think manifesting money is complicated or takes years to master, but I'm here to show you that it's simpler than you've been led to believe. In this video, I'll guide you through step-by-step practices that anyone can use to bring money into their life every single day. These aren't just theories. They're powerful strategies rooted in mindset shifts and practical actions that truly work. So stick around, because at the end of this video, I'll reveal the single most important mindset shift that wealthy people swear by, and once you adopt it, you'll never look at money the same way again. Ready to unlock the wealth you deserve? Let's get started. Your relationship with money is the foundation of your financial reality. If you've ever caught yourself thinking, "I'm just not good with money," or "I'll never have enough," then it's time for a mindset shift. These thoughts aren't just harmless passing ideas. They're signals you're sending to your subconscious, and your mind responds by creating a reality that matches those beliefs. Instead of focusing on lack, start programming your brain to see abundance. For example, when you think, "I can't afford this," you're closing off possibilities. Instead, ask yourself, "How can I afford this?" This simple shift opens your mind to solutions and opportunities you might have overlooked. Think of your mind as a GPS. If you program it to focus on financial limitations, it'll keep taking you down roads of scarcity. But when you set it to abundance, it starts finding ways to bring wealth into your life. The key is to become aware of your thoughts and the language you use about money. Speak to yourself as if you're already financially successful. Begin to believe that money flows to you easily and effortlessly, because the truth is, when you shift your mindset, the world around you starts to change. It's not magic. It's the power of reprogramming your mind to align with the abundance you deserve. Visualization is one of the most powerful tools you can use to attract money into your life. When you visualize abundance daily, you're training your brain to see wealth as your reality, not just a distant dream. Think about this. Your brain doesn't fully distinguish between something you vividly imagine and something you actually experience. So, when you spend time picturing yourself in financial abundance, you're creating neural pathways that align with that vision. And that's where the magic starts to happen. Here's how you can do it effectively. Every morning, take 5 minutes to close your eyes and immerse yourself in the feeling of financial freedom. Picture your ideal financial situation. Maybe it's checking your bank account and seeing a balance larger than you ever thought possible. Imagine how it feels to pay off every bill with ease, or to treat yourself and your loved ones without worrying about the cost. Engage all your senses. See the numbers, feel the excitement, hear the sounds of your success. Whether it's the beep of a card swipe or the applause of others celebrating your achievements. The more detailed and emotionally charged your visualization, the stronger the impact. It's like planting seeds in a garden. Every time you visualize, you're watering those seeds, and soon, they'll grow into opportunities, ideas, and actions that bring your vision to life. Don't skip this step. Commit to it daily, because the wealth you want starts in your mind long before it shows up in your bank account. Affirmations are a powerful way to reprogram your subconscious mind and align your thoughts with the energy of abundance. The words you speak, out loud or in your mind, are like commands to your subconscious. If you keep saying things like, "I'm broke," or "I'll never have enough," your mind accepts that as truth and works to make it your reality. But when you shift to using affirmations that focus on wealth and possibility, you begin to rewrite the story you've been telling yourself about money. Start with simple, clear statements that resonate with you. For example, "Money flows to me effortlessly," "I am worthy of financial success," or "I am open to receiving unlimited abundance." These affirmations work because they shift your focus away from what you lack and direct it toward what you desire. The key is repetition and emotion. It's not enough to just say the words. You need to feel them. Say your affirmations with conviction, as if they're already true. Let the feeling of excitement and gratitude fill you as you declare them. Science backs this up. Studies show that repeating positive affirmations activates the brain's reward system, boosting confidence and reinforcing new beliefs. Make affirmations a daily habit. Speak them in front of a mirror in the morning, write them in a journal, or even repeat them quietly throughout your day. Over time, these affirmations will not only shift your mindset but also your actions, drawing you closer to the financial freedom you deserve. The law of attraction is a powerful tool, but here's the truth. Visualization and affirmations alone won't bring you financial success. You need to take aligned action to turn those thoughts into reality. Think of it this way. Manifestation is like planning a road trip. You can dream about your destination and map out the route, but if you never start driving, you'll never get there. Taking action is the driving force that bridges the gap between where you are now and the financial abundance you want to achieve. Aligned action means doing things that are in harmony with your goals and the vision of wealth you're creating in your mind. It doesn't have to be a giant leap. Small, consistent steps can have a massive impact. Start by asking yourself, what can I do today to move closer to my financial goals? Maybe it's learning a new skill, creating a budget, networking with like-minded individuals, or finding ways to add value to others that could generate income. Each step, no matter how small, sends a powerful signal to the universe and to your subconscious that you're serious about achieving your goals. The beauty of aligned action is that it creates momentum. The more steps you take, the more opportunities you'll begin to notice. Those opportunities were always there, but now your focused energy and commitment allow you to see and act on them. Remember, the law of attraction works best when your thoughts, emotions, and actions are all aligned. Wealth doesn't just fall into your lap. It flows to those who prepare a path for it. Take that first step today and watch how quickly doors begin to open. And if you've ever wondered why some people make a lot of money easily, while you, even with so much sacrifice, study, and dedication, can't prosper, if you want to discover the secrets that helped me unlock my mind and go from debt to millionaire in less than 1 year, I have something amazing for you. In my new book, Rich Mind, I'm going to show you that getting rich is easy and that what's really difficult is convincing yourself of it. If you want to put an end, once and for all, to your hidden enemies who sabotage your success and unlock your mind to make money towards the life you deserve, I will leave the official link for you to download the Rich Mind ebook here in the description and in the first comment pinned to this video. Dare to think differently. Let's continue. Gratitude is one of the most powerful practices for attracting more money into your life. When you shift your focus to what you already have and feel genuine appreciation for it, you create an energetic frequency that naturally attracts more abundance. It's easy to fall into the trap of focusing on what's missing, thinking about bills, debt, or things you can't afford, but that mindset keeps you stuck. Gratitude, on the other hand, opens the door for more blessings to flow. Start by recognizing the money that's already supporting you, no matter how small it seems. Be thankful for the paycheck you receive, even if it's not as much as you'd like. Appreciate the ability to pay your bills, even if it feels tight. Acknowledge the little things, like finding $1 in your pocket or someone treating you to coffee. These moments may seem insignificant, but when you focus on them with gratitude, you're telling the universe that you're ready for more. To make gratitude a daily habit, try writing down 3 things about money that you're thankful for every evening. It could be as simple as, I'm grateful for the groceries I bought today, or I'm thankful I had enough to cover my rent this month. Over time, this practice will shift your perspective from scarcity to abundance, and you'll start noticing new financial opportunities appearing in your life. Remember, gratitude isn't just a feel-good exercise. It's the foundation for attracting even greater prosperity. Limiting beliefs about money are often the biggest barriers to attracting wealth. These beliefs operate quietly in the background, shaping your decisions and actions without you even realizing it. Thoughts like, money is the root of all evil, I'll never earn more than I do now, or rich people are greedy may seem harmless, but they create an internal resistance to financial success. If you believe deep down that having more money makes you a bad person, or that wealth is impossible for someone like you, no amount of effort or visualization will break through that block. The first step in removing these limiting beliefs is identifying them. Pay attention to the thoughts that surface when you think about wealth. Do you feel guilt, fear, or resentment? Write down any negative beliefs you notice. Once they're on paper, challenge them. Ask yourself, is this really true? For example, if you believe that earning a lot of money will make you selfish, think of wealthy individuals who use their resources for good, like philanthropists or community leaders. They prove that money can be a tool for positive change. Next, replace those limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Instead of saying, "I'm bad with money," reframe it as, "I'm learning to manage money wisely." Replace "I'll never have enough" with "There is more than enough money for me and everyone else." These new beliefs won't take root overnight, but with repetition and intention, they will begin to overwrite the old ones. Remember, your beliefs are like a thermostat. If you're stuck on a low setting of scarcity, your life will reflect that. But when you raise your internal setting to abundance, your actions and opportunities will naturally align with that new level. You have the power to rewrite the story you've been telling yourself about money. And when you do, you'll see how much easier it becomes to attract the wealth you deserve. Your environment plays a crucial role in your ability to attract and maintain abundance. If you're surrounded by scarcity, whether it's clutter, negative influences, or a lack of inspiration, it's much harder to align with the energy of wealth. On the other hand, when you create an environment that reflects abundance, you naturally raise your vibration and make it easier for money to flow into your life. Start by decluttering your physical space. A messy wallet, for example, can symbolize financial disorganization. Take a few minutes to organize it, removing old receipts and making room for the money you want to attract. Do the same in your home or workspace. A clean, open environment signals that you're ready to welcome new opportunities and wealth into your life. Next, evaluate the people and content you surround yourself with. Are you spending time with individuals who complain about money or believe that financial success is out of reach? These attitudes can be contagious and pull you into a scarcity mindset. Instead, seek out people who inspire you, those who talk about possibilities and success. Read books, listen to podcasts, or watch videos that reinforce a wealth-oriented mindset. The more you immerse yourself in positive influences, the more you'll start to think and act in alignment with abundance. Even small changes can make a difference. For example, you could display symbols of abundance, like a vision board with images of financial success or affirmations that remind you of your goals. These visual cues keep you focused on what you're attracting and help you stay motivated. Surrounding yourself with abundance isn't just about what's around you. It's about creating an environment that reflects the prosperity you're calling into your life. When your surroundings match your goals, the path to wealth becomes clearer and more accessible. Your environment plays a crucial role in your ability to attract and maintain abundance. If you're surrounded by scarcity, whether it's clutter, negative influences, or a lack of inspiration, it's much harder to align with the energy of wealth. On the other hand, when you create an environment that reflects abundance, you naturally raise your vibration and make it easier for money to flow into your life. Start by decluttering your physical space. A messy wallet, for example, can symbolize financial disorganization. Take a few minutes to organize it, removing old receipts and making room for the money you want to attract. Do the same in your home or workspace. A clean, open environment signals that you're ready to welcome new opportunities and wealth into your life. Next, evaluate the people and content you surround yourself with. Are you spending time with individuals who complain about money or believe that financial success is out of reach? These attitudes can be contagious and pull you into a scarcity mindset. Instead, seek out people who inspire you, those who talk about possibilities and success. Read books, listen to podcasts, or watch videos that reinforce a wealth-oriented mindset. The more you immerse yourself in positive influences, the more you'll start to think and act in alignment with abundance. Even small changes can make a difference. For example, you could display symbols of abundance, like a vision board with images of financial success or affirmations that remind you of your goals. These visual cues keep you focused on what you're attracting and help you stay motivated. Surrounding yourself with abundance isn't just about what's around you. It's about creating an environment that reflects the prosperity you're calling into your life. When your surroundings match your goals, the path to wealth becomes clearer and more accessible.